Hey, what's going on? It's Dominic Daniels coming to you from Self-Made Millionaire Success Group. And today I wanted to give you a quick update video on how I'm doing in TrafficAdBlast. Guys, I've been moving this platform as quickly as possible. My short-term goal is to get to 100 ad packs. I'm about half the way there. I think I started with like 15 or so. Now I'm moving up, moving the chain, I'm moving in, I'm getting there. Can't wait to get to 100. So I should be there maybe in a couple of weeks, depending on how everything goes. I have some other things running in the background. So free up a little bit of money. I might go ahead and just max the first ad pack plan out. Okay, guys. Now, for those of you that don't know anything about TrafficAdBlast, or you haven't even heard about it or whatnot, I'm just shooting this video to give you an update on what I'm doing and how I'm moving along with this program. Right now, as you see right here, ad pack plan 1, I have 43 packs. I'm on my way to 50. I might go ahead and get me a couple of more packs today to go ahead and get to 50 ad pack plan 1s. And you have right next to that, you have your ad pack plan 2s and your ad pack plan 3s. Okay, now my goal is to max out the ad pack plan 1. To max that out, you can only get to 100. When you get to 100, then ad pack plan 1 will be maxed out, and the same with the rest of them. Okay, now with this mini ad pack plan, you really it's only going to cost you 5 ripple. Okay, now with this platform, it's ripple in, it's ripple out. So this is the only currency that you can use on this platform. Okay, so I also have the videos on my YouTube channel. If you want to go back and see, I have numbers of videos showing you guys how to go in and set up a wallet, buy your ripple, transfer your ripple over to this particular platform. If you want to get involved, you can go check that out on my YouTube channel, and I have step by step on how to do that. But now right here you have the mini ad pack. The mini ad pack is only 5 ripple. So those of you that just want to get in real quick, kind of see what's going on, you get your 5 ripple, go ahead and get started and get your packs going, and just to see how the system is working and what's going on. Ad pack plan 1 is of course that one is 10. That's 10 ripple. And like I said, I have 43 right now. I'm going to get to 50 hopefully by the end of the day. And then I can't move on from ad pack plan 1 until I max this one out. So once I max this out at 100, then I can open up ad pack plan 2. See, I started here. I didn't even bother with the mini ad packs. I just went for the ad pack plan 1 so I can go ahead and get this maxed out so I can get to ad pack plan 2. Now, ad pack plan 2, the price on that is 25 ripple to get the ad pack plan 2 started, and then for the ad pack plan 3s, it's going to be 50 ripple to get that one started. And you just like ad pack 1, it's only 100. You can only do a max out at 100 at plan 2 and 100 at plan 3. So basically all together it'll be 300 ad packs is the max that you can get on this particular platform if you max out these 3 ad pack plans. Okay, so it's not that much, but hey, it's okay. If you max it out, it's not a guarantee, but I think it's roughly like 170 ripple a day. So if you have plans like similar to what I'm going to do with mine, my plan is to, pull a little ripple out, stack some ripple, and then with the rest of my ripple, I'm going to buy more electronium. Electronium is a coin that I've been dabbling in for a while, ever since the ICO. That's, it's one of my favorite coins. So that's going to be one of the ones that I'm going to start investing a little bit more in. So, I mean, it's up to you guys, whatever you want to do or how you want to do it. You can just take the ripple and cash it out, or you can, spread that money around the crypto market to try to make yourself more money. And like I said, You know, Ripple is cheap right now. It's only 48 cents. So what happens if it goes to $1 or $1.50? I think the high of Ripple has been $3. So, I mean, like, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not giving you, any price predictions. I'm not guaranteeing anything. I'm just telling you what I'm doing and how I'm going to use this platform to extend my portfolio in the crypto market. Okay. That's just what I'm doing. If you decide to do it, then that'll be your way of doing your own business. Now, I just wanted to make sure that you guys understand that TrafficAdBlast is a revenue sharing site, and with any Revshare business or platform, you got to make sure that you always go do your research and check and see if this is something that you want to do. Always use risk capital, money that you can afford to lose on these platforms, because like I said, you never know, they come and they go. And and I just wanted to get that out there, let you guys know. But hey, I mean, for the most part, I haven't had any issues with this particular platform. It's been going like gangbusters for me. It's very simple to use. You just get started. And actually, if you want to get started for free, you can get started for free. There's no upfront money, no obligations to do anything. All you got to do is click the link, sign up, come into the platform, and you're ready to go. And you can come in and you can start some ads and get some free, free ad credits or whatnot to be able to promote any other business that you're doing. Or you can come down here and where they have a earn tab right here, and you can click on this earn tab. And what the earn tab is going to allow you to do is basically going to give you free Ripple for you to watch other people's advertisements. Okay. Now you have a PTC where you can go over here, you can watch their advertisement, and they're going to pay you a small percentage of Ripple. It's not a whole lot, but if you want to do something and start for free, you can definitely do that. And that's going to allow you to be able to make a little Ripple until you build up to, till you get to 5 Ripple, and then you can come right down here and buy this mini ad pack and start here just to see if this is something that you want to do. You might not want to do it, you might want to do it, but I mean, it's free, so you can't go wrong with anything that's absolutely free to join. Okay. Now you come down here, they have videos that you can go watch. You got Facebook likes, Twitter followers, and then other YouTube videos down here that you can go watch. Now the purpose of this is that you go in, you can watch these videos, and they're going to pay you a small percentage of Ripple or whatnot. And you can come in and just do this every day and make a little Ripple or whatnot until you start making enough money to buy some ad packs. Now, now I'm going to, be honest with you. It's going to take you a while to do that. But hey, you can, I mean, if that's what you want to do, you can do it. And and you can still be able to get into the system, because like I said, if you want to withdraw any money out of this particular platform, you got to at least have 1 Ripple. Okay. So you can come in and do it for free and get you some free Ripple, and you'll be ready to go. Now, I didn't go that route. I don't necessarily have time. So I just came in and I bought my packs, and I have other, businesses that I have to attend to. So I can't just spend all my time and day on one particular platform. But guys, I come in here and I'm literally on this platform for 5-10 minutes a day, and all I do, I come in, I surf my 10 ads. You go down to revenue share right here, and it will light up right here. Well, I'm sorry, it will light up right here on the surf. It will say 10 ads, but I've already clicked my 10 ads for the day. And all you do is you go in, you click your 10 ads, and then you see how much money you made or how much Ripple you made. That's what I do. All I do is I come and I see where I'm at right now. See, I have 5.1 in my main, and then I have 4.8 in my purchase, which I can combine those two, and it'll give me about almost 10 Ripples. So I'm not quite there yet to buy another advertisement pack, but I should be there later on today. Whenever the system updates, I should have that. And then over here, I have 81 Ripple in my traffic, which that's what you pretty much purchase whenever whenever you buy your Ripple. You're purchasing traffic to be able to get eyeballs to an offer that you might be in. You know, if you're not in an offer, I have in my videos, I have a couple of other little affiliate links that you can jump in and you can advertise on this platform if you don't have a particular offer to promote. Okay, so guys, yeah, man, it's very simple. I mean, it's easy to do. You know, get in. I spend, you know, like I said, 5 minutes, 10 minutes at the most, and that's it. And then I move on to my next business. So if you wanna, you know, if you wanna get involved with this, I'm gonna leave everything in the description below this video. Most definitely, if you like the content, definitely hit that like, show me some love, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for notifications and updates because I'm gonna be updating all the passive income systems that I'm doing right now, so you guys can see how my journey started and where my journey's going now in present time. And that's going to be my big goal for you guys, to just show you that if you want to get involved in anything online and you want to change the way that you make money, this is a good way for you to start going into that realm. Now, with a passive income, it allows you guys to start making a little bit of money right now versus trying to go out and have to recruit. Because with these type platforms, you don't have to recruit anybody, and you don't have to worry about listening to the "I'll get paid Friday" or "I'll get you next week" or hey, what's going on with this, and I don't have the money to start, or you don't have to deal with all that. So serious people, if they want to get in, they're going to jump right in, and they're going to start seeing some money showing up in their back office, and that's going to get them motivated. And these are good platforms to use for anybody's newbies, intermediate marketers. For those of the people that don't know how to market to the masses, this allows you to have a chance to be able to learn your craft and learn how to get the traffic, learn how to, do your YouTube videos, learn how to buy solo ads and things of that nature. So this is pretty much prepping you to get ready for the next level, because now you're having money actually coming in versus you having to go sign somebody up to see that money, to get a check or to get a commission from that. Okay, so I just wanted to put that out there for you guys. If you want to get started, like I said, everything's going to be in the description below. Once again, it's Dominic Daniels coming to you from Self-Made Millionaire Success Group, and I will see you guys in the next video.